Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by understanding what video metadata contains and why it matters. Metadata can include timestamps, GPS coordinates, camera make and model, and creator tags. Always work on a copy to prevent data loss or accidental changes. Check file size and duration before and after editing to confirm integrity. I will show simple tools and commands for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Keep original files for 7 days as a backup safeguard and verification step. This process helps protect privacy and reduces accidental data exposure during sharing. First, install ExifTool or FFmpeg depending on your operating system and preferences. To strip metadata, quickly use ExifTool. ExifTool all equals overwrite original file. MP4. Alternatively, use FFmpeg to remove metadata and keep streams. FFmpeg I input. MP4 map metadata -1C copy output. MP4. For thumbnails or embedded cover art, remove attached pictures using ExifTool picture equals file. MP4. Verify removal with ExifTool G1 file. MP4 or FFprobe v quiet show format input. After removing metadata, calculate a checksum like SHA-256 to document file integrity and changes. For batches, use a script. Loop through files and run ExifTool all equals or FFmpeg command per file. Retain original files offline for 7 days and then securely delete unless retention required. Avoid uploading raw footage to unknown services. Stripping metadata reduces but does not eliminate risk. Document procedures, tools, and commands in an internal policy for consistent future handling. If legal concerns exist, consult counsel before altering evidence or regulated files to stay compliant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.